Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in the Treat DAO creator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your MetaMask for the first time and how to add the Binance Smart Chain Network to your MetaMask so that you can use Treat DAO. If you're not a Treat DAO creator, feel free to stick around because this video can help anybody. If you already have this set up, then feel free to skip to the next tutorial video. I will put the link to the next video in the description, and that next video is going to be teaching you how to apply to be a Treat DAO creator. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to metamask.io. Please make sure you're on metamask.io and that you're browsing securely, that you see a HTTPS in front of it, because there are fraudulent websites that pretend to be MetaMask and they look like MetaMask, but they are fraudulent. And if you end up on one of these sites, you might accidentally download malware. So I'm going to put a link to metamask.io in the description of this video just to be extra safe. You can go straight there and copy and paste or click the link. So from here, just hit one of these blue download buttons. Then you're going to be asked whether you're on Chrome, Android, or iPhone. If you are on Android or iPhone, you can download MetaMask from going to the App Store on your device, and the steps are very they're similar. They're very much the same. So you can continue following this even if you're on a different device. I'm on Chrome, so I'm going to hit install MetaMask for Chrome. MetaMask is an extension, so hit add to Chrome, and then there will be a pop-up, and from there hit add extension. Then you should see it start to load in the bottom left of your screen. Okay, and from here, hit get started. We are assuming you are new to MetaMask, so hit create a wallet. If you want, you can read this and hit I agree. So from here, you want to type in your password. I would suggest keeping a physical password book. You will be given a seed phrase eventually in this process, and it's very important to keep that in a password book as opposed to on your device, because your device can be hacked, and it's just very, very important to keep your seed phrase somewhere and your password written down. Okay, from here, click I read and agree to the terms of use and create. The next page looks like this, and this is where you secure your wallet with your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. So you can watch this video to help. Hit next and click here to reveal your secret words. Now please, please, please do as it says and write it down on a piece of paper. I think that's the best way. There's also an app called 1Password. You can use it as well, but I think the safest option is to write it down on a piece of paper. So click to reveal your secret words and write them down in order. After you've written them down and clicked next, it's going to ask you to confirm it. Just click the words in the order that you wrote them down, and mine are blurred out because nobody can know your code. Nobody can know your seed phrase. It's very important that you keep it a secret. And also, write it down in 3 different places. So if you lose the paper or the book that you wrote it down in, you will have backups. And if you have a lot of assets in your wallet, a lot of value in your wallet, it would really make sense to like keep your seed phrase in a safe, or just make it as secure as you possibly can, because if you get robbed, who knows, maybe they'll get your seed phrase. And then hit confirm. After you complete that, it should take you to your wallet. And this is not the extension, this is the website, but you can view your wallet no matter what website you're on, because you now have the extension on your browser. So up here where my mouse is, if you do not see the MetaMask Fox icon, just click this puzzle piece that says extensions. And here is MetaMask. You want to pin this. So you can just click this blue pin, or you can hit these three dots and you'll see a pin and unpin option. So now you can go to any website and your MetaMask wallet will always be right here on your browser. So let's go to treatdao.com, and as you can see, here we have it just by clicking the fox. So now what you want to do, in order to connect your wallet to Treat DAO, we still need to add the Binance Smart Chain Network. As you can see, we are on the Ethereum network. That's what it defaults to. And to add the Binance Smart Chain Network, click this circle, then click Settings, then scroll down to Networks, click Add Network, and here you're going to want to type some things in. So the network name is going to be BSC. The RPC URL, I have already copied it. I'm going to put this URL in the description for you, so you can copy and paste it in the description of this video. I'll put it. That's what you need, or you can just type it in. That's what you need to put in. Then the chain ID 56, the currency symbol, that is optional, but it is BNB. And the block explorer URL, which is also optional, it is https://BSC scan.com /. Okay, then save that. So now you are on the Binance Smart Chain Network. If you want to switch back to the Ethereum network or any other network, just click this right here and you will see them pop down. So you can switch back and forth really easily. So in order to connect your wallet to Treat DAO, first you're going to want to make sure you're on treatdao.com and you're not on a site that is pretending to be treatdao.com, because that is always a possibility. Before you connect your wallet to anything, you want to make sure you're on the correct website. So hit connect wallet, but also you need to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. So hit connect wallet and connect via MetaMask. So I've actually already done this before, so it's not going to ask me to do a signature. But if this is your first time, after you hit connect via MetaMask, you will need to sign in your wallet to approve it. So you can just click your wallet and there will be a little thing that says that you can click. So now we are all connected and we can start using Treat DAO. And in the next video of this tutorial series, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a creator on Treat DAO. I'm going to include the Treat DAO creator guide in the description of this video. It basically says all the info I just told you here, and it's the only difference is it's in text form. So if you want to go over that, if you forgot something, or if you want to take a look at it, if you need extra help, feel free. And if you need extra help, you can also click this chat box down here and type your question, and somebody will help you as soon as possible. Thank you for choosing Treat DAO, and if you are ready to go to the next tutorial, click the link in the description. Have a good day.